thumbnail or the title. Roblox is getting worse. Why? Okay, we're gonna play it. So I did not upload the Brookhaven because it's pay to win. Yeah. I will show you some worst updates. What is happening to this Roblox? What? Bro, they can just play together, right? So anyways, start a party update. So just pay to win. So Saji did not upload, only Aura. So yeah, watch my latest short there. So yeah, so let me show you the house I'm talking about. Oh, they own the house. Wow, they have the house. Cool. Okay, anyways, let me get the house. Where's my favorite house? This one. Okay. So there's a start party. So yeah, there's a 25 Robux. Like, bro, I cannot just pay for that. It's pay to win. Anyways, I will talk about that. Look at this. It's 25 Robux. I will not spend my Robux. I will buy some UGC. Like Domino's or something. Okay, anyways, let me lock my house and let's go further and color my plate purple. Okay, so yeah, so Roblox is getting worse. Okay, first problem, the age verification. Yes, age verification. What? Like, they can just chat. You can use this line, whatever you want. Okay. Second, what do you call this? The badges above your profile. Real quick, I will chat that. Yeah, they cannot chat. They cannot chat others. So there's a 20 people in the server. Yeah. So yeah. So budget is above in your accessories now. Okay. Third one. The classic faces. Yes, the classic faces. Why? Roblox, why? Why your update so bad? Like, bro, I'm so mad at right now, bro. Real quick, I will invite this. Okay. Okay. Bro, okay. So Roblox must be reset. Not worse in 2026. It's still January, by the way. Yeah. Tomorrow is in my country is okay. Real quick. Okay, I'm back. So yeah, Roblox, can you fix this, please? Please. Anyways, I'm Spectator Gun, and I am out. Peace.